Hey, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories, announcing our final release for our Model 3 Frunk bolt cover kits. Now, these are the original clips that Tesla discontinued supplying and including in the Model 3s ever since June or July of 2019. So, if you have these in your car and you don't have these hole cavities with a bolt showing, please don't order these. These are for newer Model 3s. Again, sometime in 19, they stopped discontinuing them. A lot of people have been making these on 3D printers, which are not strong. This is ABS plastic, injection molded. These work exactly the way the originals work, and they're not gonna break if you use them the way they were intended. Now, everyone knows this compartment is watertight. Well, if you ever go somewhere and you have groceries, they are designed to be clips to hold things. So these will not break like the injection molded or the 3D printed versions. So we have a left and a right. Let's install it and show everyone how easy it is. You're gonna need a 10mm socket and a ratchet. You're gonna break them loose, take the bolt out. Very, very, very simple. And anyone can install this. We're gonna call this a level 1. Take the bolt out, put it in. You'll see that the left side and the right side will not fit. You don't have to worry about that. Can't put them in wrong. This is the right side. This is not the left side. Okay. This is the correct side, the right side. All right, so you're gonna put it down. It lines right up with the post. You put the bolt back in and just tighten it back down, and you have a perfect frunk, the way the car was designed. And a lot of people don't know this. The original tooling Tesla made had the original logo on it, which is Model E. So here, and there's one more spot in the car. So if you watch this video and you find that other spot in the car and you text us or send us a message, we're gonna send you out something for free. But there's another big area in the car where we have Model E logos. Remember, this is the logo that Ford said Elon couldn't use, so they changed it to 3, so they still got the SEXY for sexy. Okay, just tighten it down, and you're good to go. It looks great, fits good. Now let's do the other side. We want everyone to see how they fit. And again, these are black plastic. We've already cracked them free, loosened them up. You might need to use the ratchet to start it. We should call these Model E. Put the bolt back in the hole. It has a washer on it, so it'll be nice and snug and won't come loose. And this is another nice part for the trunk. Of course, our mats, we have different mats. We have the 3D mats made by 3D Max Spider or Ace 1. And we also have these deep ones. Tighten it up, and there you go. Everything looks great. Now, these are clips that are designed to hold groceries or any kind of open bags that you don't want to smell in the trunk. Push them down, fit perfect, they look great. Thanks again, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. And don't forget, these are textured to match the texture of this tub in the frunk. So they don't look anything but original. Thanks again for checking in, and these are in stock shipping now. Okay, thanks.